Welcome back once again. Now in this part of the training, I'm going to just advise you on something. Okay, so first let me take you to CloudHost. Let me remove that. Let me take you to CloudHost. Okay, so I'm going to show you something here. This is the landing page of CloudHost, and let me take you down here. Okay, so I hope you can see all this. Okay, good. Now this is just a landing page. Okay, in my opinion, I just want to install the WHMC on the main domain. Okay, this one, this is a WordPress website, but if I click one of the packages, or if I enter client dot, okay, so if I enter this one, that is client.cloudhost, client.cloudhostgh.com is below this video. It will take me to the billing system, and that is here. Okay, this is the billing system, and we call it WHMCS. WHMCS. This package, or our hosting package, comes with free WHMCS lances. Okay, good. And now I want to install the WHMCS on the main domain so that there will be no need for us to create a WordPress site. That's what I want to do, okay, in this training. But if you want to still put the WHMCS on the subdomain, as I have done on this one, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain so that you can do it in that way. But I'm going to install it on the main domain. Okay, so I want to do it on the main domain. So this is what I'm going to do first. Let me close that. And now I think I don't need my dashboard anymore. I'll close that, and I will close this. I only need this. Okay, so first, as I said, I'm going to create a subdomain just to show you how to create a subdomain. So I'll go to domains. Then you can see a subdomain here. Just click on that. And you see we have not created any subdomain yet. So I'm going to click add new subdomain. This is your main domain. So I will just click here and select and enter client. As you're typing, you see that it has created a subdomain. Maintain this one, don't change. Make sure you select this one, check the SS certificate, and you click save. Okay, now it's successful and it is active. So you have created a subdomain, simple as that. Okay, so which you want to install it on the main domain. I'm going to show you how to do the two of them. Okay, so thank you for watching. Our next video we will continue.